Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma and today we are going to talk about mastering hotel check-in and essential English phrases for a smooth hotel stay experience.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Emma, how are you today?
Hi, Ryan. I am good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Nice. Are you excited about today's topic?
Yes, hotels are important when traveling,
Very important.
and the English can be simple.
Yes, simple but very useful.
Emma, do you travel often?
Sometimes, not too often.
Do you stay at hotels?
Yes, hotels or guest houses.
Same.
Do you feel nervous at check-in?
Sometimes, yes.
Me too.
But today we will practice.
Yes, step by step.
Let's start with the first moment.
When you arrive at the hotel,
Yes, you walk into the lobby.
lobby is the front area of the hotel.
Right.
You see the front desk.
Front desk is where the hotel staff works.
Yes.
The staff will say, "Hello, welcome."
Or, good morning, how can I help you?
Very polite.
What do you say back?
You can say, "Hi, I have a reservation."
Perfect.
Or, "Hi, I'd like to check in, please."
Great.
Emma, what is a reservation?
Reservation means you booked the room before.
Yes, online or by phone.
Right.
What if you don't have a reservation?
You can say, do you have any rooms available?
Available means free or open.
Yes.
Let's do a simple role play.
Okay.
I am the hotel staff.
I am the guest.
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel. How can I help you?
Good evening. I have a reservation.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Yes. My name is Emma Johnson.
Thank you, Miss Johnson. Let me check.
Okay.
Yes, I have your reservation. One night, correct?
Yes, one night.
Perfect. May I see your ID or passport, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. And how will you be paying?
By credit card.
Great. Here is your room key. You are in room 305.
Thank you.
The elevator is on your left. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. That was very natural.
Yes, and very clear. Now let's talk about common questions the staff will ask.
Okay.
Question 1. May I have your name, please?
You answer with your full name.
My name is Ryan Smith.
Good.
Question 2. May I see your ID or passport, please?
You give your ID or passport.
And say, "Here you go."
Or here it is.
Perfect. Question 3. How will you be paying?
You can say by card
Or by credit card?
or cash.
Yes.
Question 4. How many nights?
You can say 1 night
Or 2 nights.
or 3 nights.
Simple. Ryan, what if you need to ask something?
Yes, very important.
Common guest questions.
Question 1. What time is breakfast?
Question 2. Where is the elevator?
Question 3. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Question 4. What is the Wi-Fi password?
Question 5. What time is checkout?
Checkout is when you leave the hotel.
Yes. Now let's practice those questions.
Okay.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Where is the elevator?
The elevator is on your left.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, we do. It is free.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
The password is on the key card.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Great. Very smooth.
Yes. Ryan, what if you arrive early?
Good question.
You can say, can I check in early?
The staff might say, "Let me check."
If the room is ready, they say, yes, your room is ready.
If not, they say, "Your room is not ready yet."
Then what?
They might say, "You can check in at 2 p.m."
Or you can leave your luggage here.
Luggage is your bags.
Yes.
Small comedy moment.
Okay.
One time I arrived very early at 6 a.m.
Why so early?
Long story. My flight was early.
Okay.
The staff said, "Your room is not ready yet."
Normal.
Then I asked, "Can I sleep in the lobby?"
What did they say?
They smiled and said, "You can wait in the lounge."
Lounge is a waiting area.
Yes, I slept on a very nice couch for 3 hours.
Sleep tourism again.
Always.
Now, let's talk about room types.
Okay.
Single room.
Single room is for 1 person.
Double room.
Double room is for 2 people.
Twin room.
Twin room has 2 separate beds.
Suite.
Suite is a bigger, fancier room.
Very expensive.
Yes. Emma, what if your room has a problem?
You call the front desk.
Yes.
Common problems.
Problem 1. The air conditioner doesn't work.
Problem 2, the Wi-Fi doesn't work.
Problem 3. The shower is cold.
Problem 4, the room is too noisy.
Problem 5. The TV doesn't work. How do you report a problem politely?
You can say, "Excuse me, I have a problem with my room."
Good.
Or, "The air conditioner in my room is not working."
Very clear.
Or, "Can you send someone to check it, please?"
Perfect. Let's role play a problem.
Okay, you call the front desk.
Great.
Hello, front desk, how can I help you?
Hi, this is room 305. The air conditioner is not working.
I'm sorry about that. I will send someone right away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Simple and effective.
Yes. Ryan, what about room service?
Room service is food delivered to your room.
Yes.
You can call and order.
What do you say?
I'd like to order room service, please.
Then they ask, what would you like?
I'd like a sandwich and coffee, please.
Great.
Now, let's talk about checkout.
Yes, when you leave.
You go to the front desk and say, I'd like to check out, please.
The staff will say, sure, what is your room number?
You say room 305.
Then they prepare your bill.
Bill is the total cost.
Yes.
The staff might ask, did you use the minibar?
Minibar is the small fridge with drinks and snacks in your room.
Yes. If you used it, you say yes.
If not, you say, no, I didn't.
Then they say, here is your bill.
You check it and pay.
And they say, thank you. Have a safe trip.
And you say, thank you.
Let's do a full checkout role play.
Okay.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning. Sure. What is your room number?
Room 305.
Okay. Did you use the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Did you make any phone calls?
No.
Great. Here is your bill. The total is $120.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Have a safe trip.
Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Very real. Now, part 3, learning section.
Yes, simple vocabulary and grammar.
Vocabulary 1, reservation.
Booking a room before you arrive.
Vocabulary 2, check in.
Arriving and getting your room.
Vocabulary 3, check out.
Leaving the hotel.
Vocabulary 4, front desk.
Reception area.
Vocabulary 5, key card.
Your room key.
Vocabulary 6, lobby.
Main entrance area.
Vocabulary 7, luggage.
Your bags.
Vocabulary 8, bill.
Total cost.
Grammar tip, may I is very polite.
May I see your passport?
May I have your name?
Yes.
For guests, you can say, could I?
Could I have a late checkout?
Could I get an extra towel?
Very polite.
Pronunciation tip,
Receipt is receipt. Silent P.
lobby is lobby,
Suite is suite.
not suit.
Yes.
Now, listen and repeat.
Yes. Speak out loud.
I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
I'd like to check in, please.
I'd like to check in, please.
May I see your passport, please?
May I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Here you go.
What time is breakfast?
What time is breakfast?
Where is the elevator?
Where is the elevator?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
What is the Wi-Fi password?
The air conditioner doesn't work.
The air conditioner doesn't work.
Can you send someone to check it, please?
Can you send someone to check it, please?
I'd like to check out, please.
I'd like to check out, please.
Did you use the minibar?
Did you use the minibar?
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Thank you. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Have a safe trip.
Great job.
Yes, very useful phrases.
Quick question for listeners.
Yes.
Have you stayed at a hotel before?
Please write yes, no, plus country.
If you are enjoying this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it helps the channel a lot.
Emma, any final tips?
Yes, always be polite.
Say please and thank you.
Keep your reservation number ready.
And your passport or ID.
And don't be afraid to ask questions.
Hotel staff are there to help.
Yes.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.